My name is Ingvar Helgason and I'm the CEO of Vitrolabs. So I founded Vitrolabs because, well, my background is in the apparel and fashion space, and we've always been thinking about how can we do things more sustainable in a better way while still adhering to the authentic materials that we use in the industry. So when I started Vitrolabs, it was with the thought of how can we replace leather without compromising on the quality and on the desirability that leather inherently has. So the vision for Vitrolabs is take the process that we have developed in-house at R&D scale and now at pilot scale and really bring that to full-scale manufacturing. So this is a process that we're working towards, and after future funding rounds we'll have the resources to build out our platform and really deliver product to not just our partners in luxury but also partners in automotive and other industries that utilize leathers. So the technology that we're using here at Vitrolabs, we're in the broader field of tissue engineering. It's using animal cells to produce products that the market knows and loves. In our case, it's leather, bringing those authentic materials using technology that derived from regenerative medicine and tissue engineering, scaling them up and bring them down in cost so we can bring those materials to market. So how our technology works is we take one harmless biopsy from an animal, bring that biopsy into our labs. We then expand the cells, we then harvest those cells, freeze them down into what we call our working cell bank. And from that working cell bank, we can thaw and we can seed those cells onto scaffolds in our custom-made tissue reactors that we have designed and built in-house. And within 3 to 4 weeks, we harvest what is essentially a calf hide. So our technology allows us to have a fully traceable supply chain. Everything from the one biopsy that we take from the cow to the expansion and the growth of the hides, that's all done within our facilities. So it's a fully traceable process from start to finish. And that is something that we are looking for when we are working with industry, because traceability has been a huge problem for the industry. Also, from a sustainability perspective, our process is much better in terms of land use, in terms of water use and greenhouse gas emissions. We have tested it out at R&D scale and have transferred it successfully to pilot production, which we started in July 2022. And we are looking now to scale the pilot production up to the quantities that are required for our partners and then beyond to full-scale manufacturing down the line. So we've seen a huge surge in the interest from investors, specifically in green tech, and it's important because the planet can't sustain things as we have been doing for the last 100 years. So it's important that we find and apply new technology to age-old problems, such as animal agriculture. It is a problem that we don't face just on a national scale, but on a global scale. We are super excited to have JIMCO and family on board as investors. They have deep experience in the auto industry, and that's an industry that is a huge growth opportunity for us. Their experience also in the Middle East in terms of what is available in terms of resources and expansion opportunities. It's invaluable for us as a startup and as a new company to really understand and have that backing from those type of experienced investors. The important distinction to make between Vitrolabs and other companies in our broader space is the fact that we grow real leather. We took that approach from the beginning is because we love natural materials. We love the authenticity of it. We love the desirability that real leather has, and of course the durability and the properties, technical properties that traditional leather has. And so for us, when we were developing this technology, it was important for us to stay true to our roots in terms of those authentic materials. We don't believe that the future is going to be alternatives to leather. We believe that the future is leather.